If you want to lock apps on OnePlus 15, what you need to do is you need to go to Settings. Over here, we're gonna scroll down a little bit in order to choose Security and Privacy. Next, in here, we need to scroll down, and in Special Features, you should be able to find the App Lock option. In order to use it, we need to have the privacy password, which is used not only for the App Lock, but also for Hide Apps option, for Private Safe as well, and so on. So if you already have it, then of course you should be able to immediately proceed. If not, then we need to set up the privacy password. In my case, I'm gonna actually change the password type to this pattern. There we go. We need to enter it twice, and then we also need to use a security question or recovery email in order to be able to actually recover the password in case we forget it. So in my case, I'm gonna actually choose a security question. I'm gonna set it up to be a custom question, and I'm gonna type just anything over here. But of course, in your case, you want to properly set it up because, well, you probably want to have the option to recover the password in case you actually forget it. Once we have the privacy password, we can tap on this app lock in order to enable this feature, and now we can choose apps that should be locked. So let's say I'm gonna lock Facebook over here. I'm gonna also lock Instagram, and let's say that's pretty much it. So now if we go back and open the app drawer, if I try to open any of these apps, I need to enter the privacy password. And we cannot choose a separate password for every app. We just have one privacy password that is used for every locked app. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.